Hey savers, welcome back to another Meijer video. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great today whenever you're watching this video. So we are heading into Meijer. We have some great deals going on that I want to share. These deals started Sunday, November 17th and will go up until Saturday, November 23rd. So as always, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy them, and you could possibly leave me a comment down below. I sure do read all of those. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with some of the best deals that are going on at Meijer this week. So the first thing on my list is the Motrin. This is the adult one at $5.99. We do have a $2 M-Perk, so clip that. And then we have around $2.50 over on Fetch, making it $1.49. All right, so now the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. So it's tagged for buy one get one 50% off, but online it's buy one get one free. So I did test it online and it's coming up as buy one get one free. So for two of them you would pay $4.19, getting back $2 on Ibotta for each one. It's gonna drop it down to 19 cents for both. We have an amazing deal on the Neutrogena bar. It's priced at $3.05. Clip the $3 off M-Perk in the Meijer app. It's gonna leave you to pay just 5 cents for one. What an amazing deal. Now I did spot a lot of clearance on hair care products like shampoo and conditioner, so make sure you are checking your store and possibly seeing if there is a rebate app or maybe a coupon available. But like I said, check your store because I did see a lot of markdowns and they will reduce in price eventually. So next up, the Garnier Fructis Grow Strong shampoo is priced at $4.09, and they are buy one get one 40% off. Plus we do have a $3 off M-Perk when you purchase two. It's gonna make your final cost like less than $4 for both of the bottles, which is not too bad if Garnier is your preferred shampoo. We have a great deal on the 7th generation dish soap, so it's $3.69. We do have a $2 off M-Perk that does say each. It's gonna drop it down to $8.69. Now we also have a spend 15 get $5 off for 7th generation products. So depending on if you just want to get one, or if you want to get more, or if you want to incorporate also the 7th generation laundry detergent, you could possibly have a great deal. I don't really use this particular brand, so I didn't pick it up, you guys, but I thought I'd share just in case if this is your preferred brand for dish soap and laundry detergent. The Arm & Hammer small bottles of laundry detergent are $5.99. We do have a $3 off M-Perk, making it just $2.99. So we have a freebie, you guys, on the Finish. So this is the Finish, what is it? It's just like a cleaner for the dishwasher. So it's $4.79. We do have a $2 and a $3 coupon. So one of them is actually a manufacturer and then the other one is a store coupon, so they will stack at the register, making it completely free. So definitely pick up your freebie. Even if you don't have a dishwasher, you could always give this to someone in your family or just donate it. The Airwick starter kit is $11.99. There is a $6 off M-Perk and then $6 back on Ibotta, making one completely free. The Betty Crocker mixes are on sale 2 for $3. We do have a $1 off M-Perk when you purchase two, and then head to Ibotta for $1 back when you purchase two, making it just $1 for both or 50 cents a piece, which is a fantastic deal, you guys. I think I'm gonna make cupcakes for Thanksgiving, so definitely a really great deal, and you know it's on a budget. Another great deal we got going on is on the cremette pasta, so it's on sale for $1. We do have 50 cents back on Ibotta, making it 50 cents for one. The limit on Ibotta is 5, I believe. I'm gonna pop it up above, I can't remember, but 50 cents, you guys, for pasta, I feel like that's a great deal, and there is so many varieties you are able to choose from. I just picked up one. I picked up the spaghetti. I'll be picking up one of the Splash 6-count waters at $2.69. We do have 75 cents back on Ibotta, dropping it down to $8.94. Now I did see an offer on Facebook pop up for this for a free one. Now it's not through Aisles or like Wetstock. I'm not sure what company it's through and how legit it is. It did ask me for my full name and my address, so yeah, I'm not I still submitted it to see like if I actually do get my money, but I'm gonna have that link down below in the description box of the video, just in case you guys want to take a look at it, and if in case you are interested in doing the offer. I'll be picking up one of these So Delicious dairy-free yogurts. So this is $1.25. I have an older M-Perk for $1 off, making it 25 cents. The 4-pack of Yo Crunch are on sale for 2 for $5. So let's say you just wanted to get one, you would pay $2.50, get back $1 on Ibotta, making it just $1.50 for one. And my kids really like these because, you know, of course it has candy. Next deal is on the Danimals 6 count. These are on sale 2 for $5 as well. We do have a $1 off MPerk when you purchase 2, and then $1 back on Ibotta when you purchase 2, making it just $3 for both. The Country Crock Plant Butter is on sale for $2.99. Okay, we do have a $1 off MPerk and then $1 back on Ibotta, making it just 99 cents. Now, if you do use checkout 51 or inbox dollars, they also have a $1 back as well. But in case if you don't use them, you just use Ibotta, I feel like 99 cents is still a great deal. And I actually, if you guys remember, a couple months ago at Walmart, we actually got for like this brand of butter free. And I remember I maxed out the deal and I got 5. I am still, till this day, I think I'm on my last box. I still am using it. And honestly, it's not bad at all. It's just like regular butter. But yeah, I feel like I do like it. It's an item if I can get for cheap, I will get it. I also wanted to mention that the Russell potatoes 5-pound bag is 99 cents. And like, I bought a bag this size, you guys, for full price at Jewel Osco, and I'm just like, really, I should have waited, but oh well. The pineapples are buy one get one for $1, so for 2 of them you would pay $3.39, which I feel like it's not bad. $1.70 per pineapple, that's not too bad. So here is everything that I actually picked up at Meijer. So pretty much pretty much a lot of food items, I feel like, which is always great because I love, you know, shopping on a budget for food. Y'all, here's my receipt. The Neutrogena bar, the $3 off MPerk came off. The pineapple buy one get one for $1. The dishwashing thing that I got, both of those coupons did come off. It did reduce down because remember that Meijer does not give overage, so there is that. The dry pasta, the drinks that I got here, what were they called, splash water, Country Crock Butter, the mix, okay, the Yo Crunch yogurts, the Earwick, and I did find some cookies that were on clearance for $1.25, so I picked those up. It's like, it was, I think, for like fall. Well, it is fall, but they had them reduced down, you guys, because I don't think no one's buying them, because, you know, everyone forgets about Thanksgiving. But anyways, you guys, everything worked out as planned, and I'm gonna pop up what I got back in case you have any questions. Don't hesitate to drop them down below in the comment section. I hope you guys have a fantastic day whenever you're watching this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.